Alright, let's take a look at the laser machine and how to replace the bead code on the YD laser machine. After filling it up, as long as we replace the bead code with a new one, since now the bead codes are universal, like the 3350 and 33640 types, they are all interchangeable, just one type of bead code. So after we've replaced the bead code, then, let me clear my throat, we need to go here to the laser settings and reset it. First for our laser, let me clear my throat, our laser's number 31, right? Enter 31, and then for this selection here, if we're testing 3640, we select 3640. If it's 3350, we select 3350. Set this to 100, just like your original parameters. We can't really adjust any other parameters. And then the size of this head, SHHC 110, right? 1 in 10. If ours isn't 1 in 10, we can choose another one. We can select a different option. And here's the field diameter, how big it is. This is a 200 field diameter. Let me clear my throat. Okay, just enter all of these. And that's it, that's all you need to do. After we replace the new bead code, we need to pay special attention to this parameter and make sure to update it because now all our laser bead codes are standardized and universal, so we need to set this accordingly.
Okay,